We'll get $830. We can get another vehicle that's like the one we have. ATV is $500, but I don't know what all it can carry. There's an $800 pickup truck, which is, yeah, the cheap truck you're talking about. $600 sedan. And that's what we had to choose from.
I vote
I was thinking the truck. Yeah.
Truck it is.
Hell yeah.
Because you could probably, get more on that as well.
Okay, but here's the problem.
You don't want to transport
You need
livestock
somebody
in a
to come
sedan.
and drive it.
Yeah, somebody has to come drive it.
Run over there.
Good news is it already has radio.
Oh yeah, I forgot you can upgrade the cars.
You can change colors too.
I know, I changed the color of our thing, you just didn't notice.
I
Oh.
noticed. I looked and I was like, what the fuck? Does it cost money to do that now?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's like $50.
Damn.
Oh. It was at the beginning of the game. You're fine. You getting truck?
It don't matter. I just put some of this stuff in the truck.
Okay.
Close the tailgate. There you go. Off to the races.
Is this the
You
wrong
missed
way?
the turn. You missed the turn.
Oh. Whoops. Oh, I hit a tree.
You just bought that fucking thing.
I don't drive, Justin.
Better than the ATV.
It doesn't. Actually, it might be a little bit worse because it doesn't
Oh,
turn
no.
as sharp.
This is a UTV?
Whatever.
Oh my god. I almost flipped it.
Damn, it don't stop.
Uh-uh. Okay.
I'm going to bed.
How do you turn the lights off? Oh.
Hell. Man, when I heard myself through your mic, it sounded like I was a real asshole.
That's weird. No
Huh.
way that it should be like that, huh? It's so weird. What's that weird, guys?
You had some kind of setting on there or something?
Yeah, it's just an asshole setting? Jeez, that's so fucking weird.
Why do we look the same way?
You know that whole thing about you sounding like an asshole?
We're over it.
No, you just immediately did it.
Oh god, and they were negative 50. Ah! Holy shit! I wasn't even looking at the screen. I looked and I was like, God damn it! Got a fucking gun to my head.
Oh god, I'm so glad.